I bet they can smell the fish. I bet they smell what I can. It's made of like fish and chips now.
Yeah.
I bet they can smell the food that's cooking in the Casper. That'd be nicer than this dried stuff. A bit of fish.
So make.
Oh God, I've got a sandwich now. When we saw Double Mall, I meant to get your sandwich. Mummy, let's go.